Good morning. Today we are going to finish part 3 of I Am Malala. The last chapter in part 3 is chapter 19, entitled Good News at Last. Let's preview a few vocabulary words before you get started. The first word I'd like to talk to you about is the word apartheid. It is a policy or system of segregation or discrimination on grounds of race. The next word is descend. That means to move or fall downward. Next, we have the word superstitious. To be superstitious is to believe or practice, resulting from ignorance, fear of the unknown, or trust in magic or chance. If you take a look at the picture, it's a superstition that the number 13 is unlucky. That is the end of the vocabulary preview for chapter 19. Please read the chapter and head to Google Classroom for today's assignment. Have a great day.